So good morning children, and this is what actually third chapter, his first flight. Today we'll discuss it. And before that, what after deduction of 30%, that from chapter 2 we just completed that A Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela, and there is a poem that is already deducted by CBSE that were omitted. Now I am giving the classes only those chapters which are for this session. So this is what the third chapter, and there is no any other chapter. That is what poem from chapter 2 omitted. So let's start our first his first flight. There are two stories here. Two stories, and the first is from his first flight, and one another that is what a journey, Blake night journey, that will given in the second class of this chapter. So for his first flight, part 1, written by Liam O. of Flaherty. So this is what the first story is. His first flight. This is an encouraging story about a seagull. About a seagull. This is the name of a fish. About kingfisher types of birds who were survived by fish, eating fish from the sea. This is what not the sea but ocean. Atlantic Ocean. You will find seagull in Atlantic Ocean. This is a story from Northern America. So the seagull live by the food that is fish available on the mainly herring fish. Herring fish, you must have heard the name of herring fish. So herring fish is the small types of fish that you will find in Atlantic Ocean, and the seagull you will find there. So this story is about the birds, but it is like that a mythological story you may call, that a story by Buddhist script. That is what story told from animals or birds or creature world, but that has a moral to be implemented in our life. I will tell a small parallel story. That is what I instructed here to make it more easy for you to understand. So seagull, a young seagull story is here. It has two brothers and a sister, and with his parents, mother and father. These are the a seagull family. These are the members of this seagull family. Parents, 3 brothers, including the young seagull whose story is there, and 1 sister. So total 4, 5, 6 members are there in the family who are seagull. They feed themselves by the fish, mainly herring fish, on the Atlantic Ocean. What happened? At the bank of that ocean, there was a stone, maybe mountain peak or maybe some lava created that, and it is greenery, and within or inside the ocean there is another peak. They fly from one peak to another peak, and this is on the way whatever fish they catch by their beak होठ से उन लोग पकड़ते हैं, by their beak होठ से पकड़ते हैं. What happened? The young seagull whose story is there, the young seagull, his feather is larger, stronger in comparison to its brother and sister, but yet he afraid to fly, because he thought that while he will fly, if his feathers stop functioning, अगर उसके पंख काम करना बंद कर दिए, his wings stop functioning, then what happened? He will fall in the ocean and die. That is what the fear. But he even noticed that his younger brother and sister, who had smaller wings than him, yet they had already started their first flight, and they easily catch fish and enjoy the life of fishing and eating with scraping the fish by their beak. That is what enjoyable things of their life. But he was deprived all types of enjoyment, fishing, eating fish, by tearing off the fish with their beak. This is what the enjoyment for them, and they fly above the high, soaring in the high, and stay in the air, and then again fall, again high, again peak high. That is what the process of flying. But he deprived all types of enjoyment. Even for that, he was rebuked by his parents. Even he was threatened by his mother and father that he will starve to death if he not fly. Even many times they ignored. They tried to encourage. Despite that, what happened? He was unable to fly. And one day, what happened? That is the main part of the story. How he learned to fly. One day, what happened? His parents, brother and sister, fled away, move away from their that hole where they used to live in a peak, एक mountain peak है, और उस peak के अंदर एक a hole, that is what the dwelling place of the birds, जहाँ पर उन लोग रहते हैं. वहाँ से उन लोग सुबह उड़ के चले जाते, थ्रू आउट डे उन लोग फिशिंग करते और रिटर्न आते. तो ऑन दैट डे व्हाट हैपेंड, उसकी मामी उसको रिव्यूड किए और स्टार्व टू डेथ बोल के गुस्सा होके पूरा फैमिली उड़ के चले गए. दैट इज व्हाट द इंसिडेंट ऑन दैट डे. But he had an expectation that somehow his mother will give food or fish, and he will survive. That is what his expectation. But throughout day they were anchored themselves in the nearby peak, but never return back to him. They never give any food. He expected many times that it is time, at least his mother will come and give his food. But she did not come and never give food. And that is what, this is how the throughout day that spent. And throughout day he remained hungry. And during night again, no one returned. Next day early morning, what happened? His father sitting and removing the water from the feathers and giving him as usual exercise types of movements of the wings that make them free, removes the weight of the body, and that is how activities going on, morning activities. And his brother and sister, they are also putting their head inside the feathers. They were sleeping or resting on the peak of another mountain near the ocean. So that is what next day early morning. At that time, what happened? He felt that his mother will come. His mother will come and give. But his mother was eating, tearing off his herring piece and eating by herself, but not heading toward him, not heading toward seagull. He really felt sorry for that thing. At the time, what happened at the morning? This is after 24 hours. 24 hours he remained hungry. 24 hours he remained stirred. And at the time, his mother coming from that peak towards the seagull, but then he was really happy and enjoyable, and that he felt some excitement that after 24 hours he is going to take food, and that's why he was happy. And the young seagull come near the edge of the peak. But what happened? Suddenly his mother stopped on the sky, not moving so far. At that time, he lost his control. He started moving the wings and come in the air. And that is what his first fly of that young seagull. Suddenly, with the excitement, after 1 day of full starvation, full fasting, he becomes highly excited, and at that time he forgot that he cannot fly. At that time he totally unaware that his feathers will work, unaware about the wings, unaware about the fears of sinking down in the ocean. He started flying on the sky, towards his mother. And when he started flying and it's working his feathers and wings, all his siblings, that is brother and sisters and father, started shouting and crying and chanting the victory that young seagull got from the air. उसके पूरा फैमिली चिल्लाना स्टार्ट किया, शाउटिंग किया, एनकरेज किया. एंड फाइनली आफ्टर फ्लाइंग, देन his mother returned back to that peak, and a young seagull follow with her, and finally they reached that peak where other family members were. And suddenly he was exhausted, tired, near about to fall on the peak. Then what happened? He rested there and they gave him food and he ate after 2 days. And this is what his maiden flight, first flight. And this make him how, this is a motivation comes from internal. That is what, he was afraid, but in such an excited moment. This is what happened in every human being psychology. देखिए हम लोग एज यूजुअल टाइम्स में हम लोग स्पीड में दौड़ नहीं सकते, क्योंकि हम लोग कभी दौड़ नहीं, वट एवर में भी फीलिंग्स आ सकता है, बट सडनली एक टाइगर के सामने आ जाओ, देखो कितना स्पीड निकल जाता है। उसके 1 डेज का जो स्टारवेशन था वो उसको इतना एक्साइटेड कर दिए थे, तो दैट इज व्हाट उस एक्साइटमेंट में फ्लाई करना स्टार्ट किया। एंड दैट इज हाउ यंग सीगल स्टार्टेड फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई विदाउट एनी फियर। एंड द फीदर्स, द विंग्स, ही थॉट दैट इट विल नॉट वर्क, बट स्टार्टेड वर्किंग। He thought that he will fall in the ocean, but never happened like that. Because it is natural, only the fear that prevented him. So it is the fear who is the most fearful things. If you overcome the fear, there is the victory. This is the fear which is the most fearful things. This is what Jar, the Russian and the great prophet or great persons like Caesar of Italy, Rome, the king, he uttered this word. Even the Macbeth, the king of Denmark, also uttered the same word. It is the fear that is the most fearful things in the universe. It is the fear that is the most fearful things in the universe. If you overcome the fear, you can overcome everything. You can get the victory. You can enjoy the life. And that is how the young seagull started flying above the fear. And that is what the summary how he started flying in the sky, and again he was able to get the food through his mother. And finally he was able to one type of inferiority feelings that always prevented him to fly, that even his younger brother and sister whose feathers or wings are shorter, smaller than him, yet they made their first flight, maiden flight, पहले बार फ्लाई वो लोग कर चुके हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं फ्लाई, उन लोग फिश शेयरिंग फिश पकड़ के खाते हैं, बट ये इसके फियर के चलते सबसे बड़े थे उस सिबलिंग में, ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर में, yet he was not able to fly. And that time when an excitement engulfed his whole thought, and suddenly out of that excitement he started flying in the sky. That is what happened. सो आई थिंक कि हमारे सबको समझ में आए होंगे, और नहीं आए होंगे तो फिर भी एक बार टेक्स्ट को रीड करो, क्योंकि आपका 10th का एग्जाम है। रिपीटेडली हर क्लास में मैं बताता हूँ कि बोर्ड एग्जाम होंगे, लास्ट ईयर नहीं हुआ था बहुत सारा पेपर का, बट ये साल होंगे, ये साल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ है। एंड 100 मार्क्स का एग्जाम जो होंगे सब ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन होंगे। मैं जस्ट समरी बताया, समरी में आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन पैटर्न को आप 100% अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि इंसिडेंट, स्मॉल इंसिडेंट, टॉपिक्स, इंसिडेंट और मूवमेंट, स्टेप्स, ये सबसे क्वेश्चन आता है जो थ्रूली टेक्स्ट, और ये इसमें पॉसिबल नहीं है इतना स्मॉल और दिस टाइप ऑफ मैकेनिकल सिस्टम में। बट इफ लेटर रिवीजन टाइम में हम लोग कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स को, क्वेश्चंस को, सेंटेंस को, जैसे वो एक्साइटेडमेंट में उसकी मदर जो सेंटेंस अटर्ड किया था वो क्या था, वो फियर में जो सेंटेंस अटर्ड किया था यंग सीगल, वो जो मना कर रहा था बार बार फ्लाई करने के लिए आउट ऑफ फियर, उसमें क्या सेंटेंस था, ये सब सेंटेंस इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो टेक्स्ट से ही उसको पॉसिबल है। एंड नेक्स्ट, इससे पहले वाला जो चैप्टर कंप्लीट किया था नेल्सन मंडेला ए लॉन्ग जर्नी, उसका भी एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप लोग किए नहीं, उसको प्लीज़ जल्दी करिए और चेक कराइए, क्योंकि कॉपी कंप्लीट करना जरूरी है। और क्वेश्चन आंसर एक बार, और कहीं पर डाउट्स होंगे रीडिंग करने के टाइम, कोई वर्ड, फ्रेज, सेंटेंस या कोई पैरा, तो उसको आप पूछिए इंडिविजुअली उसको मैं वर्ड एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे। तो दैट इज व्हाट फॉर टुडेज क्लास। नेक्स्ट वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज व्हाट द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट। इसका और एक पार्ट है जिसमें एक एरोप्लेन का कहानी है, उसको नेक्स्ट क्लास में कंप्लीट करेंगे। दिस इज व्हाट द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस स्टोरी। एंड लिसन, जो सब चैप्टर स्टडी और एक्सप्लेन में नहीं कर रहा हूं, वो सब चैप्टर्स को सिलेबस से ऑलरेडी ओमिट किए हुए हैं सीबीएसई, तो उसको पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं। जो क्लास का मैं बट ये वीडियो अपलोड कर रहा हूँ वही सब क्लास है। तो थैंक यू।